everyone, thank you for joining me for another Minecraft education video. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate a Nearpod activity in your Minecraft education world. So, it's as easy as linking it to an NPC. This lesson I have set up, students are going to be using colored blocks to place in front of elements depending on the type of element. Metal, non-metal, metalloids. And then once they're done, it's going to reveal a PixArt picture. But I also want to test if they know the characteristics of each type of element as well. That's when my NPC and Nearpod activity come in handy. So here is knowledge check 1. When students right-click on him, he's going to tell them what they're going to do, and they can also have it read through them through the immersive reader. But here is the link. So when students click this, the drag and drop, it's going to open up the Nearpod activity for them. And then they're going to join the lesson. The instructions are also going to be right here. These are our instructions that you type when you set up the activity. And then they're just going to work through. I typically keep the activities quick because I don't want them to spend too much time on it because they're also showing their understanding through a Minecraft activity. And boom, that's as quick as it is. So now, when you go over to your Nearpod and you go to your reports, it's going to show you how the students did. So this gives you 2 forms of assessment to check for your students' understanding. Now, the first thing you want to do is probably set up your Nearpod activity. So let me actually go, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. So we're going to go to create a lesson from scratch, and I'm going to title this ME. I always put ME in front of lessons if it's Minecraft education related. And we're just going to do a matching game real quick. So add new. Quizzes and games is typically what I use to link to an NPC. In this case, I'm going to do a matching. The matching's pretty nice because you can do a picture definition, definition and term, or a term in an image. So metal, shiny, activity, durable, and done. Okay, now that that's done, you're just going to go to Save and Exit. Give this a sec to populate where it says Teaching. There we go. So Teach, Student Pace, and this is the link you want to copy. And then you're going to go back to your Minecraft and create your NPC. So the first thing you need to do is put yourself in World Builder status. So Enter or T on your keyboard, \WB, and now it's going to say true in the corner. Next, you're going to find your NPC egg, hit E for your inventory. Again, this is working on your keyboard and mouse. NPC, and then you're going to see your NPC spawn egg. Grab this and drag this into your hotbar. Now, I already have a stack here, but just wherever you want to put it, that's where you can put it. All right, so now you're going to select it, and we're going to set this up. So NPC, we're going to pick her. I'm just going to name her Knowledge Check 2 for now. Again, I'll give them names once I release this to students, and I'll probably place it closer to the activities. Edit dialogue. And then you're going to go to Advanced Settings, Add URL, and this is where you're going to put your Nearpod activity URL. And then for the button name, now you only have so many characters in button name. So it may, if it's a really long name, it may not take it all, even though it may let you type it out. So for this one, I'm just going to put matching game because I know a matching activity is going to cut off the Y. And that is all that's to it. Now you have your NPC linked to your Nearpod activity. Let me leave World Builder status so you can see what this is going to look like to the player. And right click. Here you have your immersive reader, so this can read it out to the students if they need it. And once they click this, it's going to take them to the Nearpod activity. So it is that easy. And this is a quick, easy way to be able to test your students' knowledge in multiple ways and incorporate different technologies with one. But I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.